How to find your purpose of life. 3 steps. There are 3 steps to the process of discovering the purpose of your life. Understanding the principle of choice. Creating your underlying principle. Aligning your life with the underlying principle. Understanding the principle of choice. The greatest power we have is the power of choice. It is an actual fact that if you have been groping under unhappiness, you can choose to be joyful instead. And, with effort, raise yourself into joy. If you tend to be fearful, you can overcome that misery by choosing to have courage. The whole trend and the quality of anyone's life are determined by the choices that are made. Choosing is your most important mental activity because it tells your subconscious what you want. Once the subconscious mind gets to know your desires, it is going to do anything to manifest them in your life. The choices you make in your life become your goal. And, if you are sincere in pursuing them, there is no reason why you should not accomplish them. Indecision, on the other hand, not only creates frustration and anxiety, but can also confuse the subconscious mind about what you want. But it is important that the choices you make are made by you, in accordance with your true desires, purposes and aptitude. A lot of us have let others make choices for us, or make our choices according to what we think is correct, even if that means that we go against our wishes. What is right for someone may not be right for you, and the way to know this is to listen to what your heart says. So, to begin with, make a list of things that interest you, things that you have always enjoyed, things that make you feel better, things that inspire you to surge ahead, no matter what obstacles you face. Whatever it is that interests you, go ahead and make a list under the following headlines. Things you love to do. What is it that you love in this thing and why? How you could do this for money, and make a living out of it. Creating your underlying principle. The next step is to examine the list you just made and find out if there is any recurring theme. Whatever it is, try to identify the central theme of the things you love to do, and try to put it in a short and precise statement. This will be your mission statement. It may even be a quote by a famous person, or a philosophy that has influenced you. Now, write down your mission statement. Aligning your life with the underlying principle. The final step in this journey is to map your path to your ultimate purpose. Make the little changes in your lifestyle that would accommodate this principle in your life. Live this principle each and every day. It might take a few days, but you will certainly feel the difference in your enthusiasm for life. Remember, do what you love, and money will follow.